आज मैं नाजिर हुसैन और आकाश चोपड़ा बात करेंगे विराट कोहली के 3 शॉट्स के बारे में। आइए शुरू करते हैं पहले शॉट से। विराट कोहली इज अ स्पेशल प्लेयर। ही हैज गॉट द स्पेशल एबिलिटी to play shots all around the park, and that's why he always puts pressure on the opposition bowler and the opposition captain. Today I'm going to talk about the flick shot. 22% of his runs since 2014 he got while playing this shot. There are 4 important aspects, or there are 4 attributes to play this shot perfectly. Number 1, and the most important aspect, is balance. Balance in your stance. You have to be relaxed, and also stillness in your head. Head is the heaviest part of your body, and wherever the head falls, the body is led in that direction. The moment your head falls here, what happens? Automatic reaction is your foot goes across. The moment the foot goes across, you have to play across the body, which will create that LBW decision, or you become a big LBW candidate. So what does Virat Kohli do well? His balance in his stance, his head is very still. And because of that, he's got great ability to play or get into proper position. The second important aspect is foot movement. Whenever Virat Kohli plays on the offside, he takes a long stride to the pitch of the ball. And this is good for the balls which are pitched on the offside. But when the ball is pitched on the off or middle, he takes a short stride. And that is very important. You cannot stretch a lot when you're playing the flick shot. The third is your bat downswing. Your bat downswing has to be straight, so that when you're meeting the ball, you're showing the full face of the bat, which Virat does exceedingly well. The fourth aspect is wrist. At the time of impact of the ball with the bat, he uses the wrist to give direction to that shot. And because of that, he can maneuver the field and play with the field position. I will show you or demonstrate to you how much he uses the wrist depending on the field position. If the field set is, you have got the square leg and you got mid-on, which is wide. There is a gap between the bowler and the mid-on fielder. He plays with the full face of the bat and creates that opportunity to score a boundary between the mid-on and the bowler. The moment the captain moves the mid-on straighter, there's not much gap between the bowler and the mid-on. So what does Virat do? For the same ball, he uses his wrist little bit more and places it between the mid-wicket and mid-on fielder. आप देखिए विराट कोहली किस तरह फ्लिक शॉट खेलते हैं। अगले शॉट के बारे में जानने के लिए नाजिर हुसैन के पास जाते हैं।
One of Virat Kohli's favourite shots is the cover drive. I think he's got something like 25% of his runs in the last 2 years in that cover region. For me, actually, it is one of the most difficult shots for Virat Kohli, not because he's supremely talented and can't hit you 360, but because of his grip. Generally, a good cover drive of the ball has a weak bottom hand grip, so the bat can come through nice and easy and just open the face and hit it through extra cover. Virat has a very strong, I'm going to show to this camera here, Virat Kohli has a very strong bottom hand grip. Not a loose, weak grip, a strong one. And that is why he is so strong through that leg side. You bowl anything near his pads and that bottom hand just whips it through the leg side. But you would think that that would make it difficult. If you think now the strong grip, you would think it would be difficult for him to get that ball through extra cover. But nothing is difficult for Kohli for some reason. He has such rubbery wrists that if the ball is out there, for example England, what England have realised, keep off his pads, bowl out there, what he does is he gets those hands through the ball remarkably quickly. So for someone like me who used to like to play the cover drive, I used to have a weak, soft grip, just chuck us a ball please, one ball. Cover drive, very easy shot. For Kohli, if I was Kohli, this is what I would do, because of that strong bottom hand grip. But for Virat Kohli, the genius, this is what he does. He seems to have a remarkable bat speed and flick through that offside. I think he played some tennis when he was young. He probably played hockey. He probably did everything brilliantly. But he has a real amazing flick through the ball and manages to get it through extra cover. What I find even more remarkable about it, when you play that shot like I just played it, I managed to get it through straight extra cover. What he sometimes does is that if any bowling attack goes even wider, he manages to somehow open the face and hit it to the right of extra cover. If someone can throw me one just a little bit wider, I say I can't do it with that strong bottom hand grip. I'll give you another go. He manages somehow. Give me one more, full, really full. With that grip, three options there, and I did one okay. Kohli does three, everything good. What he does very well is he waits for it to come really late, and then he somehow opens the face and gets it through that gap. Give me one more, see if I can do it. There. I took 4 goes to hit it well once. Kohli takes 1 go to hit it well once. You'd think he's only going to be strong on the leg side. You'd think this bottom hand would stop him cover driving. Not if your name's Virat Kohli. Okay, we've got one more shot left. Here's Akash Chopra to explain how Virat does it.
2014 में विराट कोहली को कुछ दिक्कत हो रही थी। वो ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर की गेंदें जो स्लिप में जाती थी, कीपर के पास जाती थी, ये कहने लग गए थे कि वीक जोन है, यहाँ पर आप टारगेट कीजिए लगातार। वो क्यों हो रहा था? कोशिश तो वो कर रहे थे सीधे बैट से खेलने की, लेकिन क्योंकि शरीर से बल्ला दूर था, अब ऐसे ऐसे करके खेला तो ये बल्ला सीधा नीचे आ ही नहीं रहा। ये थोड़ा सा तिरछा बल्ला नीचे आता है अगर शरीर से दूर हो तो फिर ये एजेस जो हैं वो कभी कीपर कभी स्लिप, तो ये उनके साथ एक दिक्कत हो रही थी उस समय। लेकिन विराट कोहली का मिडिल नेम क्या है? उनका मिडिल नेम है सुधार। लगातार सुधार करते आए हैं और इस थोड़ी सी जो कमजोरी थी, जो परेशानी थी, इसको एड्रेस करने के लिए उन्होंने 1-2 शॉट्स अपनी आर्मरी में डाल लिए। अब यहां बॉल डालेंगे ना लगातार तो फिर विराट कोहली नए शॉट्स मारेंगे। वो शॉट क्या था? पहला था स्क्वायर कट, जो पहले बिल्कुल नहीं मारते थे, लेकिन अब अगर आपने उनको विड्थ दी, रूम दिया, तो फिर आपको पॉइंट रीजन में सॉलिड स्क्वायर कट मारते हैं कुछ इस तरह से। तो ये उनका स्क्वायर कट का शॉट जो उन्होंने पका लिया है। अब अगर आपने उनको विड्थ दी तो फिर चौका पड़ेगा उस तरफ। लेकिन ये एकमात्र शॉट नहीं था जिसके अंदर उन्होंने महारत हासिल की। उन्होंने थोड़ा सा और इंप्रोवाइजेशन भी किया। क्या वो थर्ड मैन रीजन में भी थोड़े रन बटोरने लग गए। वो उन्होंने इस प्रकार से किया कि जब सीधे बल्ले से खेलना है तो बिल्कुल शरीर के पास खेले। अब शरीर के पास खेलें और बिल्कुल आंखों के नीचे खेलें तो आप कभी भी बल्ले का मुख खोल सकते हैं और वहां से आप रन निकाल सकते हैं। और शरीर के पास होगा अगर बल्ला तो बल्ला भी सीधा होगा, बल्ला तिरछा नहीं आएगा। बल्ला तिरछा तब आता है जब शरीर से दूर हो, शरीर के पास हो तो बल्ला बिल्कुल सीधा। और वो जो हॉरिजॉन्टल बैट वाला शॉट था उसमें भी उन्होंने क्या किया कि यहां से गए और अंतिम समय पे फिर शरीर के पास आंखों के नीचे थोड़ा सा फेस खोला, वहां पर सिंगल निकाल लिया। तो वो स्क्वायर कट का थोड़ा इंप्रोवाइजेशन था कि रूम ज्यादा है तो कट पड़ेगा, अगर गेंद थोड़ा सा ज्यादा पास है तो जाइए हल्का सा बल्ला खोलिए, वहां गाइड कर दीजिए, सिंगल बटोर लीजिए। तो अब पहले होता था, वो इतिहास के पन्नों का हिस्सा है कि उनको उधर बॉल डाल सकते थे। अब आप उनको ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर गेंदबाजी नहीं कर सकते।